South Korea's new cases of COVID-19 rose to a record on Wednesday, surpassing 220,000. The medical system is holding up, though, and students are back in the classroom today at grade schools across the country. The distancing rules have taken such a toll on small businesses, though, that the government is considering easing the rules again as soon as this Friday. Our Kim Bo-kyoung has the latest.
South Korea has reported 219,241 new COVID-19 infections in a single day, the first time that figure has topped 200,000. More than 820,000 people are isolating or being treated at home, and more than 50% of sickbeds for critically ill patients are in use. When it comes to Seoul Metropolitan City, it saw almost 47,000 new cases, which is a record high. The South Korean government said on Wednesday that although the country should not let its guard down, there is no need to worry.
We are fully prepared to fight the Omicron variant. We have revamped our prevention and medical systems to minimize the number of critically ill patients and deaths. We have secured more than 2,700 beds for severely ill patients, and our ICU occupancy rate is hovering at around 50%, while our fatality rate is being kept at a low level, thanks to the country's high vaccination rate.
Amid the surge, most of the schools began the new semester on Wednesday. The ministry had previously announced a 2-week grace period from March 2nd to 11th, so schools themselves can decide whether to give lessons in person or online during that time. During the spring semester, schools will not penalize students for COVID-19 related absences and will require students to submit COVID-19 test results or confirmation documents from medical institutions if they cannot take midterm or final exams. Meanwhile, as the number of young children testing positive goes up, the government has designated specialist clinics to treat kids with COVID-19. The Health Ministry has worked with Korea Children's Hospital Association to designate 26 children's hospitals that run respiratory clinics, and it will offer 1,442 sickbeds for them. Regarding social distancing measures, the government is considering easing the measures as it sees any strengthening of the measures to be ineffective. Originally, social gathering caps of a maximum 6 people and 10 p.m. shutdown orders were to remain until March 13th. But as the fertility rate goes down and the damage to business owners mounts, the government might make changes as early as this Friday. Kim Bo-kyoung, Arirang News.